Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on your Gumtree account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to turn off email notifications, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My Details. You will now be taken into your settings page, from which, if you scroll down, you will see the Marketing Preferences option. In here, you will find a toggle that is turned on by default, which says that you would like to receive news, offers, and promotions. If you simply turn this toggle off, this will now turn off email notifications for your Gumtree account, except for security-related concerns. If you wish to change this setting back at any time, you can come back to this menu and then turn this toggle on if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on your Gumtree account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.